Okay, let's change the color now. So that's going to be blue, red, green. Hi everyone, and welcome to Steph Lab channel. Today we're going to do a review about this brand here, Megulla. That's the one you can install the light under the dash, the SUV or your truck. It depends which one you prefer. You can see the box. It's nice box, regular box. And in the front here, they show you some future on this side too. And in the back, they show you which color you want or choose. Is your us is going to be probably blue for my wife car, and that's the one. They give you a remote control and you can choose the color, and in the same time if you want to follow the music to blink at the same time, that too it's your choice. Let's look inside. Okay, what exactly we have inside the box? It's a thank you card with an email in the back, a user manual only in English, the remote control. The battery is already included. The battery is a CR2032. The cable, they give you a charger, a car charger. They get output 5 volt 2.1 amp. They give you 4 times those tie wrap. The length of those tie wrap, it's roughly what, 4 inch. And the light with the control, you can see, you can bend a little bit those light 4 times like that. The length of the light, (9" long. Oh yeah, I forgot the cable I mentioned earlier. It's a USB cable, the one you can for the car charger. Inside the manual, you have some tip. Let me show you. This side here, they give you some tip for the sensibility of the sound. And here, they show you how to install the wire at the same time in the middle of your car, your SUV, or your truck. This in the back of your LED light, that's going to be the one you just peel and just stick it. Now let's install those lights for my wife's car. Okay, let me show you the tool we need to install those kind of light under the dash. This guy here to peel out the sticker, and those tools here when it's time to disable the dash. And one day I'm going to do a video on those guys. What I did, I passed the wire on the passenger side. I put the light under the glove compartment. Let's go on the other side. Here you can see the light under the driver's side. So what I did, I passed the wire here under the console. Everything's in the back. You can see one tie wrap here. So now let's go in the back. Okay, so now we are on the back of the car, driver's side. So you can see the light. What I did, I passed out the wire here under the console. So like that, nobody sees the wire. And on the other side, I put it on the passenger side. Okay, I need to show you something. The light, they are open, they are on white, and it's sunny outside. So let me show you what you can see when it's sunny outside. you can see just a little bit the light. So those guys, they're really good at night, not at day. Okay, so let's look inside on the Civic 205. You can see all the light here, they're white. I already changed it. So let's look under the dash. That's going to be in front passenger side. And this is driver side. If you want to see in the back. You don't see any wire. Let's change the color now. So that's going to be blue, red, green, orange, yellow, purple, and that one I don't know what exactly, more like green blue. Here you have 4. You can't go with the music, but I'm not allowed to put any music, so 1 2 1 2, you can see 1 2. So we have 4 mode for the light. You want to put it back in white, and voila. If you need to put it down a little bit, this is tell you when it's all the way up, it's like blinking, and when you need to put it down, when you already go blink again to tell you you're too low, that's the end. I'm going to go back, and voila, this is the end all the way up. I hope you like this review about those lights we install under the dash. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.